Here's how you determine which markets to do research on first, because you can't research every market. Do research in your own backyard always. 2, choose a couple that are easily accessible. From there, maybe another, a couple markets that you're semi-familiar with. Maybe you've, traveled there a bunch. Maybe you went to school there. Maybe you have family that lives there. Market that you're semi-familiar with. Then, choose a couple markets that stick out to you for whatever reason. For whatever reason, they just stick out to you, and do something you're interested in them. Put those ones down. Then you go do research on those markets, and the key is to build teams up in no more than 2 markets. No more than 2 markets, which means you're going to build teams up within your own backyard always, and then 1 more emerging market. One more tip that I'll tell you what you're looking for. When you're researching those markets, your 2 biggest factors: job growth, household formations. Job growth, household formations, if I would give you a third, it's just, the rental laws. Like, is it more renter friendly or landlord friendly? If you can dial those things in, it gives you a base understanding of the fundamentals of the market. It's powerful.